I'm Noah with American Trucks, and this is the Rough Country custom fit under-seat storage compartment for the 2019 and newer Ram 1500 Crew Cab. For the Ram owners who've got ratchet straps to baby toys in your truck, and they're flying around every time you hit a bump, this under-seat storage compartment is a perfect solution to any lack of storage you might have. Maybe it's just me, I kind of doubt it, but there's always stuff rolling around on the floor of my truck. And since I insist on keeping my old 80s 1-ton around, I don't really have a better option. But if you've got a 2019 and newer Ram, Rough Country actually makes this under-seat storage compartment that fits perfectly right beneath the rear seats of your crew cab. Now this guy is nice and deep as well, and you can fit a lot of stuff inside this. Now one of my favorite touches of the whole thing is that there's actually a really awesome Rough Country logo here on the sides, and it kind of peeks out under that seat cushion. A compartment like this that hugs up tight under the seat really does make the most of otherwise useless space as well, and you don't lose any space or footroom in the cab with this installed. Looking at the construction of this guy, it's pretty hefty and rigid. Now the compartment is made from high density thermoplastic, which won't get damaged by things rolling around in it and banging up against the sides. And then likewise, it's still really smooth and forgiving. So if you've got stuff rolling around inside this, those things aren't going to get damaged when they bump up against the sides and rub against and vibrate as the truck moves down the surface of the road. Now it's also designed to have a hassle-free and drop-in fit, and it's just secured by a few screws, so no modification needed. And then lastly, this guy does come with a limited lifetime warranty as well, which is going to keep your investment covered forever. Rough Country's under-seat compartment is going to come in around $170. Now, if you're really tired of not having enough storage space in your truck, that's probably a pretty small price to pay and well worth it. You're looking at an install difficulty of only 1 out of 3 wrenches and a whopping 10 minutes for that install time. Now, to show you how easy this is, here's an American Trucks customer who's going to show you how to get this installed on your Ram.
Hello, Steve Kaiser coming to you from the Raleigh, North Carolina area. I just recently ordered a Rough Country under-seat storage box for my 2021 Ram 1500. Here's the little bag with the strap and buckle in it. Appears to just be a standard nylon strap and buckle. No tools are necessary for this job, so this is really about all we're gonna have to deal through. So strap up through the middle, back down through the back of the strap. The back of the buckle, I'm sorry. And then we are going to take the strap back up. Let's see, how do I want to do this here? Darn it, we're gonna have to edit this video, guys. Simple part of the process, but not what I wanted to do. Strap up through the middle, down through the back. I'm on strap. There we go. And then the strap around, up through. There's a small hole here in the back of the unit. Place the strap up through the bottom, heading that direction. Get this headed the right direction there. Okay, and your strap is going to go through. Once this is in place, this is the process I will follow. So now it's time to place the box into the vehicle. I've already removed all of my existing items and lifted the rear seats. Okay, there's the clean area. Place your under-seat storage box in place right here, being sure that this opening is not sitting on top of any of the seat mount hardware. We'll just go ahead and ensure that's clear. Now I'm going to grab this strap. The instructions said that there is a slot on the passenger side seat mount bracket. I do not see that slot, and that could be because of the model year difference that I stated was listed on the instructions. But I can take this strap, I can feed it between the two seat mounts, the left and right seat mounts, can reach through and grab it, and then I can just buckle it here. I would definitely recommend using this strap because I feel like all of us at some time have to slam on the brakes, and we don't want this or materials flying forward. So I'm trying to adjust that strap around there. Again, I'm going to feed this through the buckle, pulling it through, and I may decide to change this buckle around once I have this in place, but in the interest of getting this video done, I want to just get that strap attached. And that is actually very secure there. They're tugging on it a little bit. You can see it's not going to go anywhere. But I'm going to cinch it up a little bit more. And there it is.
That was the Rough Country custom fit under seat storage compartment for the 2019 and newer Ram 1500 crew cab. We have tons of things in stock that fit your truck, so for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.